Hello class, welcome to CIS 293 Network Troubleshooting and Support. I'm your instructor Mike Gordon. I'm going to walk you through the course, show you some of the highlights of the course here. So up top we have our menu bar and we have our table of contents. I like to go through the discussion area quickly here for each week. You click at your calendar, here's your grade book. Here's where you can send me messages. This is the preferred method to contact me. Even though I have an office hour, it's best to send me a message first, and I'll try to answer it by a message. I check that every day. If not, then we could set up a time. I'll try to work around your time as opposed to working around my office hour time if we need to go beyond that first step. Here's where you can download the course syllabus. And then here's taking a look at your course resources. Very important to check this area out. Okay, so I want to just click on that first, and you will see I'm going to go into my faculty guide here. We're going to be using ucertify for our labs. They have weekly lessons, and each week has a post-assessment, and the labs help you get hands-on knowledge. Then there's a post-test in week 5, 2 hours and 2 attempts to complete that. Best attempt to save. Flashcards are great to help you out. There's no points awarded for that, but it'll help you with the definition terms. So make use of that. I would have multiple browser windows open as you take your test. They refer to your flashcards or whatever material you like. It's open book. And then launching your assignments. You must launch only from the designated link in Blackboard for that assignment and completing it. You don't want to go any other way but through there, or else it won't link. If that happens, you need to exit, ucertify, return to Blackboard, then click again. Okay. And if you have any issues with the labs, I cannot help you with the technical issues. Only ucertify help desk can. Okay, so right here, you will find how to contact their support if you have any issues. Please note that your grades are automatically graded. Now, if they're not synced and they're not graded, that's probably because you didn't follow the correct link right here. And so you need to go back and check that link. If after the week ends, you're doing late work, that I will accept through that Friday, up to 4 days after that week. There could be an issue with it not automatically grading as well. Then you must send me a message to let me know what needs to be graded on any of those. Okay? So you can follow the practice of learn, practice, and apply. And we'll go through there. Okay? Make sure you read through all the announcements. I have a lot of that information in here about welcome to the course each week and how to get help desk support, etc. Now each week here's our related topics, and I'm just going to go through the basically the first week and then week 5 as an example, because there are ones that are different. So in week 1 you have meet your faculty. This is not graded. Post one time if you like. Welcome, that's up to you, but it's not graded. Every week you have a discussion forum. That's first posting due day 3, and then a total of 3 substantial postings over 2 days ideally. If you can do that, you can reply to your classmates or myself and all that. Okay. Now the discussion questions may be modified based on my using information from the CompTIA A+ exams or previous IT 273 versions, and if they are, you will see that in the first posting in the discussion forum that the focus on the discussion topic is whatever I changed it to. I can't change these titles here, but I can in the text body of the message. Okay, so just be aware of that. So weeks 2, 3, and 4 are following the same format, where you have a discussion forum, And as in week 1, you have a lab and a post-assessment. Okay, and here's your learning activities that just like in week 1. So, and those are due in week 7, and that's in weeks 1 through 4, just like that. Okay, in week 5, you have your once again your discussion topic, your lab, post-assessment. These are all due day 7, and I will accept these assignments other than discussion forum up to Friday late. And if they don't auto grade, you must notify me. Okay, you must notify me. And then here's your learning activities. Now in week 5, you do have that post test. That's that one. You have 2 attempts, and it's up to whatever 2.5 hours in that area. And now remember, in order to get into ucertify, you must click on the link for the assignment. So here it is, 120 minutes there. Okay, just to show you. Okay, so remember, anytime you try to get into the labs, it must be done through the links. So let's just click on another one here, and it's going to launch the lab, and it'll take you to that assignment. Okay, so that's clearly how those are done. Okay, so to recap, basically each week a discussion forum, first posting day 3, with 2 more postings by day 7. You can reply to your classmates or myself, total of 3 there. You're going to have a lab and post-assessment due day 7 each week, and then in week 5 you're going to have that test up to 2 attempts, 2-hour test due on day 7 in addition to your labs and assessment. Okay, and then that's basically the layout of the course. And once again, here you can just use Messenger to send me a message. Okay, best wishes, and hope you enjoy the course.